Basically, we protested against this one-day assembly session. Technically, it is one day because after governor's address, we only have the business tomorrow. Several issues that are pending in the state of Goa with regards to unemployment, with regards to inflation, crimes, failures of the police, drugs, failure in the tourism department, failure with the number of tourists entering the state, mining resumption, Madai, हे सगळे प्रश्न साधारण आणि करप्शन हॅपनिंग इन दिस BJP गव्हर्मेंट हे प्रश्न आमकां मांडपाक आमी ड्युरिंग द BSc एज वेल we had said that we filed our objections, but it is a sorry state of affairs today when we look at the BSc report. None of our objections have been brought on record. Even despite we giving it in writing, we had given our objections in writing as well. And the Honorable Speaker says that nothing has been given in writing. I will share the copy of my objections that I shared relating to this one-day session. The way they are boycotting, the way they are bombarding the bills. There are about 4 or 5 bills, ordinances that have been tabled for tomorrow. Normally 48 hours is given to us as a normal practice to study these bills. But hui na hui maga dista, they want to bombard, supplementary demands galta. This is the failure of the government in the first place. Why such कित्याक ये एक दिसा सेशनाक 4-5 बिल हाडटा and under 306 they normally suspend the rules. This is a very, very sorry state of affairs, primarily because they have the numbers, but the people of Goa are watching. I intervened at the start to ask the Honorable Governor that will you speak on Madai, will you speak on the unemployment issues, will you speak on the failure of the police department, on the law and order situation. So it is a one-day session. We can't expect a lot in this one-day session, but I am confident that whatever issues needs to be raised tomorrow, we will raise it with whatever platforms that we have, through calling attentions, 0 hour, try and slip in the question hour on bills that are being bought that are not in the interest of the state. We will definitely tomorrow try and corner this government.
Any plans of meeting the governor and also after the session?
No, see, question of meeting the governor itself, we met the governor several times. But my thing is that the governor addresses on issues, has to address on issues. You see, the governor is well aware. He is well studied, well read. He knows that in Kerala, his native village, in there 50 days in a year assembly session is taken place. In Karnataka 60 days in a year, and here in 6 months we are meeting for 2 days, that also practically 1 day. So is this not injustice? This is the platform which we get to raise questions. So I asked the Honorable Governor, will he address this? But you all can see that I think we should look at this very, very seriously. This is a complete murder of democracy. See, walkout kele as the Congress party, we decided, and the opposition as well, at that particular time, we felt that giving respect to the Honorable Governor, nothing else, giving respect to the Honorable Governor, we walked out. It was at that spur of moment, I asked the Honorable Governor that will you address, but he was not addressing what I was trying to think, and the Speaker had given thing to that we should be taken out. We should be taken out from the house. This is what instructions the Speaker had also been given. So definitely, see, in politics or in this floor management, a lot of strategies that happen. I don't think at the end of it, if people's issues are to be heard by whatever ways we strategize, it is the people's issues that have to be highlighted. And I feel today, आमी Honorable Governor मुखार दाखोवन दिलें की इतले इश्यू आहाय और सरकार सिरियस ना म्हणून. See, united opposition पाय हांव काय न्हू, कळ्ळें तुका न्हू. I am leader of opposition, but united opposition, whether united ruling is there, you should also question that. Several times it is seen that united ruling is not there. Ruling are sarkne, but no one questions them. when someone is questioning the government, no one questions the. You should ask the same question the Honorable Chief Minister, whether number one, number two, all the numbers are united. Our role as opposition is, as said, it is a one-day session. Everyone wants थोडा प्लेयर मातशे घोडो आहे घोडोवपा बरें आहाय ते घोडोयता आसताय बट it is their way of functioning. It is a part of a democracy. We as the principal opposition party, I am confident that these are all my colleagues. We spoke and during the BAC all the parties met and unitedly we said that one day session is not in the interest of the state. It is just a mere formality just because of constitutional thing 6 mahina bhitor घेवपा पडटा घेताय. This is not fair. This is absolutely not in the interest of the state. What strategies we need to do, what we will do, I think you will see tomorrow.